How to create a Facebook account. It's very simple. In the bottom of your screen, you will see create new account. Tap on the bubble right there. Then tap on get started. Here enter your first name and your last name. For an example, I am writing a random one. Then tap on next. Set a birthday. Here again I have set a random birthday. Then tap on next once again. Now select your gender and then tap on next. Here you can sign up using your phone number or your email address. I'll be selecting the email address one. Once you are done with here, tap on next and set a strong password. And just like that, your Facebook journey has begun. Now there is furthermore process such as connecting your Facebook with your contact so that people can find you much easier, and you can also go ahead and add your friends in your Facebook and then have a good communication with them. And you can enjoy uploading pictures, photos, videos and more. Hopefully this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.